Man, this colorway indeed is fire. The Kyrie 5 UFO.
What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Once again, by the title, we're talking about that boy Kyrie coming with some more great shoes. He's been killing it in the playoffs this year. How far will they go? Let me know in the comment section. We're gonna get into this shoe. If you do like the video, of course, hit the like button. Share the video with everybody else you know. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe with notification bell on so you can be updated on every single thing your boy Bossco drops. Without further ado, let's get into the shoes, you dig? Same old thing with the box, nothing different, you know what I'm saying? Size 13, Obsidian LT Current Blue. That's the colorway on the box. Let's go ahead and get these things out. I've seen these things, images of these shoes a very long time ago. Those of you guys who follow the channel and been down for a while, you've seen me do the Kyrie release of 2019. This was actually on there and I didn't know if it was real, but it is. Here it is in the flesh. The Kyrie 5 UFO. What do you guys think about this shoe in the comment section below? Please fill me in. Is this one of the better colorways that have released, or is it trash? I'd love to know your opinion. Let me get this other one out the box, man. These things are pretty crazy, bro. I'm loving this shoe. I think this is a dope color combination. Let me know your thoughts. Yes, indeed. This Kyrie 5 is dope. The Obsidian colorway, they're called the UFOs. They had the Kyrie 4 Obsidians. Very similar in the colorway they use. I like how they put the blue Nike swoosh with the lime green hints around it. Not quite a Volt green, but definitely a lime green. The fly traps on both shoes are the same. They have the UFO logo right there, which is pretty dope. Got like a half basketball to represent the top of the UFO on there. Then the fly trap area has these white dots around it, kind of remembrance of like or imitation of the galaxy. So it's like the spaceship traveling through the galaxy. Pretty dope thing, man. This upper is navy blue, not black. Depending on how you look at it, it might look black. This is kind of like, I think, the second shoe that they use with a navy blue upper, but I think this navy blue is almost darker. As you can see, here's the Kyrie 5 Third Eye Vision with the navy blue upper. And just looking at it, don't you think the UFO looks a little darker, or is it the same tint? I feel like it's probably the same, but I guess maybe the colors that they use with it makes it look a little lighter or darker. Let me know if I'm tripping or not. But these are fire, bro. 10 out of 10 if you ask me. Is this one of the better colorways, the best colorway that's came out so far? Let me know where this ranks among the other Kyrie 5 that have dropped. They're gonna keep coming with that heat, bro. I'm loving the fly trap area, the little hint of the UFO, that's a great detail. The galaxy imitation on the fly trap and the heel cup, of course. Same thing they do all the time is where they show their most style and, you know, highlights of the shoe. The tongue is dope. Has like some type of print. I don't want to say camel, but it's some type of print that is navy blue with that Volt green or that lime green over it. Then of course the Kyrie logo is half blue, half green. Pretty dope shoe, man. You have a hint of that orange on the Nike Zoom Turbo branding area. Outsole is crazy in itself too. We're gonna get these things up close and personal so you guys can see what they look like in 4K with the light on it. Plus we're gonna get some on feet to give you guys that look also, man. I wanna thank you for your time, for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you smash the like button, share it with everybody else in the world so they can see what's going on here. And if you are new, do not forget to subscribe with the notification bell on so you can be updated on every single thing your boy Bossco drops. Like I said, I'm about to get to the highlights and the on feed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.